How to stop WhatsApp from saving photos on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you have updated your application. And then what you're going to do next is on the bottom part, you'll see updates, calls, communities, chats, and settings, right? Go here to your settings and it will redirect you here, right? Now, the next thing that you're going to do is you will see here the chats option. Click on chats option here. And as you can see on the second option, you will see save to camera roll. So it will automatically save photos and videos you receive to your iPhone's camera roll. So if you wish to stop that one or to stop WhatsApp from saving those photos on your iPhone, what you're gonna do is to simply toggle off that button. And basically that's how you stop it. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.